What is up, you guys? It's your girl X1 and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've posted a hair transformation video, and so in this video I'll be transforming my hair from red, which is now faded to this beautiful peachy orange color, to pink and black, which is a split hair dye. So this is going to be my first time doing split hair dye, and I hope that it turns out well, fingers crossed, and with least amount of damage as possible. As usual, I'll be listing all the ingredients, all the hair brands and the products that I use down below in the description bar. And yep, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so for today I'll be using 30 volume developer. This is Streax. It's available everywhere here in India. I'll be using the 20 volume developer mainly for touching up the ends of my hair, because using 30 on your ends is a big no-no. I'll be using this random brand of bleach powder. I usually only use my Wella Blondor, but this time I decided to take something bigger. I usually don't use Garnier, but for the sake of the other side of my hair, I'll be using Garnier Color Naturals in black. And I usually don't condone using semi-permanent and permanent hair dyes, but if you're gonna take a big risk, might as well go full out. And finally, for the hair color, I'll be using a crazy color as usual, because it's the only brand available here in India easily. And I'll be using Pinkissimo. I'm not sure if I'll dilute this with conditioner yet, but we'll see about that.
So the main thing that you will need to get right is your parting. So I'm just brushing out my hair and then parting it towards the side on which I usually wear it. And I just tie it off with a ponytail. In this clip, I'm using the 30 volume developer with the bleach powder in a ratio of 1:2. That means to 1 part of bleaching powder, I will have to add 2 parts of developer and mix it till you get like a pancake batter consistency. Since there's already a video of me bleaching my hair up on my channel, I decided that I wouldn't record an in-depth time lapse this time. I basically just avoided the roots and bleached the ends using the 30 volume developer and left it on for half an hour. For the roots, I mixed a fresh batch of bleach using 20 volume developer this time, and I basically used the end of my brush to carefully take little partings as I put on the bleach. This may be hard to explain, and I know I didn't do a great job of recording it, but that's basically what I did. I just layered it on in sections.
This is how light my roots are. There's still some bit patchy here, so I'm just gonna go over that one more time, and then we're gonna get to dyeing my hair.
Okay, so this is box dye. You've got everything in the box as usual, so I just had to mix the colorant and the developer. And I don't really condone using box dyes because they are so much more harmful than using semi-permanent dyes, but I was just too lazy to go out and buy a black semi-permanent dye, so that's why I ended up using Garnier. Okay, so sectioning is important, kids. That's what I'm doing here, because sectioning can save us from a lot of patchy work. So that's what I did, and then I just dye my hair black, and it was pretty I don't know, it was pretty weird for me to see my hair turn black after like a year of having it in various fantasy colors. But I don't know, people have kept telling me in college to dye my hair black or brown or go back to natural colors, and this time I did choose to dye it black, but out of my own will and because I wanted it to be a nice contrast to the pink. So this really felt weird to me to see it black after so long. While the black hair dye was processing, I decided to mix up the pink hair dye with a lot of conditioner to dilute it, and trust me, I would strongly recommend against doing this, because while the color may seem like a vibrant hot pink, trust me, the color outcome is definitely not hot pink. I even had to add a lot more pink hair dye after filming this certain clip, because I felt that it was too pastel and that my hair would not grab onto the color. So again, I'm just dyeing my hair here. I prefer using my gloved hands and using the brush only for my roots, because it gives me more control that way. But otherwise, I prefer using this hair dye on slightly damp hair because it picks up the color better. People tell to use it on dry hair, but I find that it works better for me when I use it on damp hair. So yeah, using gloved hands is also a good way to distribute the color when it comes to this certain brand. People always wonder how I'm so comfortable with just filming myself looking like this, like trash. But the truth is, someone's gotta do it, because I guess I do my videos just to keep like a video log of all the hair colors I've transformed into, so it doesn't really bother me.
Alright guys, so after washing my hair and styling it, drying it, this is how it looks like. So this is all nice pastel pink, looks like cotton candy, feels like cotton candy, because yeah, this end is fried, but it's not that damaged also, it's salvageable. And this side's really nice and smooth because I've been taking care of my red hair since then, and so all I had to do was just add the hair dye here. So this is how my hair is like now. It is split the middle, not really the middle, I chose the side parting because this is how I usually wear my hair. There would be no use of doing a middle split if I'm wearing my hair on the side. So if you guys like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. I have an Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.